In the world of maintenance and reliability, one concept stands out as a bit of a game changer: the PF interval. This is a critical window of time between the potential failure and the functional failure, and it holds one of the keys to unlocking greater asset availability, reduce downtime, and optimize maintenance strategies. So what is the PF interval? It stands for potential to functional failure interval, and it's the time where the potential failure can be detected before it leads to complete functional failure. If you want to know more about the definition or details of these two terms, take a look at some of my previous videos where I go into a lot more detail about them. During this interval though, the asset could show early warning signs or symptoms of deterioration, such as increased vibration, unusual temperature patterns, or changes in oil properties. If we identify and address these potential failures within the PF timeframe, you can take proactive measures to avoid costly breakdowns and unplanned downtime. In other words, fix it before it fails to do what you want it to do. But it's important to note that the duration of this PF interval varies significantly, and it depends on things like asset type, the operating context or operating conditions, and the failure mode. Some assets may have a short PF interval, such as a light bulb. Others may have warning signs where you get a lot more time, such as bearings that might not be under huge loads. This allows for a more proactive approach when you're doing your maintenance planning. By understanding this PF interval and the significance that it plays in your maintenance strategy, you can shift from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies, which leads to improved operational efficiency, reduced costs, enhanced asset reliability. So in the following videos, I'm going to take a look at some of the techniques that you can use to detect these potential failures and ultimately optimizing your maintenance strategies using this PF interval concept. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.